2.3 through 2.5 redos. Question 1. Elasticity of demand measures how much the quantity demanded changes in response to the change in price. An example would be luxury cars because when there's any shift in the price increasing, this will lead to customers not wanting to buy them, leading to the quantity demand going down. Question 2. Elasticity of demand formula is the percent change in quantity demanded divided by the percent change in price. Question 3. Say the price of coffee increases from $4 to $5 per cup, and as a result, the quantity demanded decreases from 200 cups to 150 cups. What is the price of elasticity of demand? This is how I solved it. I did 150 cups minus 200 cups divided by 200 cups, and then to multiply it by 100 to make it a percent is negative 25%. That's for the percent change in quantity. And then I did $5 minus $4 divided by $4 times 100 to make it a percent equals 25%, and that's the percent change in price. And then to find the elasticity of demand, I took the percent change in quantity, which was negative 25%, divided by the percent change in price, which was 25%, and that gave me negative 1. Question 4. Cross-price elasticity of demand measures how the demand for one good responds to the price change in another good. A positive example would be if Coke's prices rise, that means Pepsi's demand would increase. And a negative example is if gas prices rise, demand for cars decreases. Question 5. If the price of eggs increases by 10%, and the demand for cheese rises by 15%, what is the cross-price elasticity? So I did the percent of cheese, which is 15%, divided by 10% of eggs, which equals 1.5. And I figured this means that eggs is a substitute because it's a positive. And how do you tell the difference between a substitute and complement? Well, a substitute is when the price rises, but so does the demand. And a complement is when the price rises, but the demand goes down. Question 6. Income elasticity measures how the demand of a good responds to the change of consumers' income. And this proves whether the good is normal or inferior. Question 7. If the person's income increases from $50,000 to $60,000, and the quantity of luxury cars increases from 100 to 120 units, this means the change in quantity equals the 120 minus 100 divided by 100, which equals 20%, and the change in income is 60,000 minus 50,000 divided by 50,000, which equals 20%. And to solve the income elasticity, you take both the percents. So I'd put change in quantity percent, which is 20, divided by the change of income percent, which is also 20, and I got 1. Since it's a positive, luxury cars are more normal. Question 8. Elasticity of supply measures how the quantity supplied responds to the change in price. Products like wheat are elastic because farmers can quickly adjust to the quantity supplied by planting more or less, but not for the same as real estate, which is real estate is inelastic because it takes longer to build a new house or apartment.